So you pin it down all around. It's good to always work with your pin, your straight pins. This can either start from the armhole or you start from the shoulder area. So open up your seam. So as you notch the center, you can notch the center of the lower part of the sleeve as well. Remember, we have two pieces for the sleeve. So the upper part you notch the center, and the lower part as well. I'm going to notch the center and place it on the armhole area so that you would have, so that you'll be able to align it. Then, as you can see, we pin it all round. Join it with your sewing allowance or your seam allowance. So this is how it's going to look like when you're done. So now for the lining aspect, you're going to pass through this hole that you already have. Okay. The first thing you want to do is to notch the center of the lower part. You're going to pull it out, both the lining and the shoulder. So find the shoulder and place it right side facing each other. Then you're going to join it round. So when you're doing this, you really need to be careful. It's going to be a little bit tricky, but you need to take your time when you're doing it. That is why you need to have some notches at the end and at the top of the sleeve. Okay, place your notches on each other. Place your notch on each other and you secure it with a pin. This really helps. We are going to sew it round. So when you are done, you pull it inside, push it inside through that same hole. What you want to do next is to close this hole. So you can either use your thread and needle to secure this part, or you use your machine. And when you are done, you press this part very well. You iron it flat. Okay. So and this will be all for the sleeve. So this is what you are going to have. Okay. So this is how the inside is going to be. So there will be no seam outside. Everything will be totally in seam. Okay. So after you are done with everything, then you are going to press your jacket. You're going to iron it carefully. So I'm just going to secure that space. I'm going to secure this space now. Then we're going to try this on so that we can see the full, so we can see the final look. So this is what we have finally at the end. As you can see, the color of this one is quite different from the first one. So that is what differentiates. And as you can see, the inside is neat as it is supposed to be. Then as for the sleeve, you can see the joining is not directly under the arm, but by the sides. Okay, so just like I explained before, the color that you want to use as your collar will be your facing or your lining, just like I have here. So you're just going to fix a button and button holes, or maybe any kind of fastener you want, just like I've used my pin to demonstrate here. Okay, just go ahead and be, do as you like, and I'll be expecting our beautiful practicals. We can't wait to have them. So thank you very much everyone for joining this class. Bye bye.